Have you ever felt your heart pounding after running? Or noticed dizziness when you stand up too fast? That feeling is connected to something happening inside your body every single second of your life. It is called blood pressure. But what exactly is blood pressure? Why does it matter? And what happens when it becomes too high or too low? In the next few minutes, you are going to understand it in the simplest way possible. Blood pressure is the force of your blood pushing against the walls of your blood vessels. Think of your body like a giant plumbing system. Your heart is the pump. Your blood vessels are the pipes. And your blood is the water flowing through them. Every time your heart beats, it pushes blood through your body. That pushing force is what we call blood pressure. Without it, oxygen and nutrients cannot reach your brain, muscles, and organs. So, in simple terms, blood pressure is what keeps you alive every second. Your heart does not just beat randomly. It works in a cycle. First, it contracts and pushes blood out. This creates higher pressure, called systolic pressure. Then it relaxes and fills up again. This is lower pressure, called diastolic pressure. That is why a blood pressure reading looks like this: 120/80. The top number is the pressure when the heart pumps. The bottom number is when the heart rests. So your heart is constantly creating a wave of pressure, pushing blood forward, then resting, then repeating again. Blood pressure is not just a number. It is life support. It ensures your brain gets oxygen to think, your muscles get energy to move, your organs function properly. If blood pressure becomes too low, your body slows down. You may feel dizziness, weakness, fainting. If it becomes too high, it puts pressure on your organs silently, damaging them over time. That is why doctors often call high blood pressure the silent killer, because many people don't feel it until damage is already happening. Blood pressure changes depending on your lifestyle and body condition. It can rise when you are stressed, you eat too much salt, you are overweight, you don't exercise. It can drop when you are dehydrated, you are very tired, you stand up too fast. Even emotions like fear, excitement, or anger can temporarily change it. Your body is always adjusting blood pressure to keep balance. When blood pressure is too high for a long time, it can damage the heart, the kidneys, the brain, the blood vessels. It increases the risk of heart attack and stroke. When it is too low, not enough blood reaches your organs. This can make you feel weak or confused. Your body needs balance, not too high, not too low. You can support healthy blood pressure by eating balanced food, reducing salt intake, drinking enough water, exercising regularly, managing stress, getting enough sleep. Small daily habits can protect your heart for life. Because your heart works 24 hours a day. It deserves care every day too. Now you understand what blood pressure really is. It is not just a medical term. It is the invisible force keeping you alive every second. Take care of it, and it will take care of you. Subscribe for more fascinating human anatomy, health, and science videos.